Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid for painting. First, gather your materials, a ruler, a pencil, and your chosen reference image. Begin by measuring the dimensions of your reference picture. This initial step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions for your grid. Once you have your measurements, you can decide on the size of each individual grid square, ensuring it fits your canvas scale. Let's get started. Now, let's grid your reference image. Using your ruler and pencil, draw horizontal lines across your photo at equal intervals, perhaps every 1 inch or 2 centimeters. Next, add vertical lines, creating a series of squares. Make sure these lines are light enough not to obscure your image. Finally, number each row and letter each column. This system will help you match sections precisely to your canvas. With your reference image gridded, it's time to transfer that structure to your canvas. Using the same measurements and proportions, lightly draw your grid onto the canvas. A light pencil or a water-soluble marker works best, as these lines can be easily erased or painted over later. Double-check that the number of rows and columns on your canvas matches your reference grid exactly to maintain accuracy. Now for the fun part, painting. Work on one grid square at a time, carefully transferring the details from your reference to your canvas. This method helps break down complex images into manageable sections, making the painting process less daunting. Continuously compare your work to the original image to ensure accuracy and proportion. Once your painting is complete, you can gently erase any visible grid lines. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.